Hello, I'm going to provide a series of videos for using Padlet on mobile phone. I hope you'll be able to learn from this. First up is using Padlet on mobile phone. We will download the app, sign up, and log in. Now, on your Google Play, you will look for Padlet and then install it. Then you will be asked to open it, and this is what will show. You either log in or sign up. First, we will sign up if you don't have an account yet on Padlet. To sign up, make sure that this pink is not log in but sign up. So click on this and then write your existing email and a simple password. In my case, I use the same password for this email because I am good at remembering my password. I also keep a copy of my password on my notes so that I can easily retrieve it whenever I forget. There are also other ways of logging in aside from using these spaces. I can use log in with Google or log in with Microsoft depending on the email that I am using. On my phone, I have already logged in several of my accounts, and this does not mean that all these are Padlet accounts, but I use Lucena Castillo Miranda with same email, so I will just click it to sign in. And there I am. I am now logged in on the Padlet. And these are my recently accessed Padlets. So that's how we download app, sign up, and log in. Thank you.